Hello and welcome to today's coaching session. My name is Zarif Hardy and I'm the director of the Australian School of Etiquette. Now, a lot of people underestimate the power that their voice has on others. It's something that we become very lazy with. Most people globally speak too fast and we cut off the ends of our words. So there's four main elements to our voice. The first is volume. Please make sure that people can hear you. If people can't hear what you're saying, they are very quick to tune out. And you don't want to lose somebody because they can't hear you. The second thing is speed. Most people speak far too quickly. And when we speak too quickly, we cut off the ends of our words, the words become a big mumble, and we don't sound very clear and we don't communicate very efficiently. So be aware of how quick you're speaking. The third element is clarity. Do you actually articulate each word? Now, you might not articulate 100% of the time. In fact, it's quite difficult to do that. But if you can articulate about 70% of the time, wow, your voice will be a lot more clearer, concise, and people will listen to you and admire and want to hear what you have to say. The last element is variety. So if I stood in front of you now and I spoke in one tone like this the whole time, you'd soon get very bored of what I'm saying. So we need to use variety in our voice. If I said a simple statement to you, I can't wait to go to the party on the weekend, and I said it flat, I can't wait to go to the party on the weekend. Or if I said it, I can't wait to go to the party on the weekend. Two very different impacts. So be aware of those four elements: speed, variety, clarity, and volume. Our voice is a tool that we don't work on. I have one warm-up exercise that I recommend everybody does every morning, either at home or as you're driving to work. This opens up the mouth more. It is QE, QR. Stretch your mouth as far apart as you possibly can. QE, and stretch it out as far as you can. QR. If you can do that exercise about 6 times, QE, QR, you will start the day articulating clearer, sounding clearer, working with more volume, and you are also working all of the muscles in the palate and in the mouth area. So remember how you sound. Talk out loud at home as much as you can. Read books out loud. Practice your speech. Develop positive speech patterns, because we become very lazy and you don't communicate well at all if you don't have good articulation and vocal presence. Remember, stand tall and stand out in everything that you do.